Hi, I'm Ms.Vivian, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of washing your hands, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. Throughout the day, our hands do get dirty, but sometimes germs get on our hands, and they're so small we can't see them with our eyes. But there is a way for the germs to go away, and that's by washing our hands. Today, we're going to conduct an experiment. You're going to need 3 things. 1, black pepper, which will represent the germs. 2, water, which will represent the surface of your skin. And 3, soap, which will be used to wash the germs away. It is recommended to wash your hands for 20 seconds, but there is a song you can sing while you wash your hands. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands all day long. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands all day long. Now let's get started with our experiment. For this experiment, you'll need pepper, water, and soap. First, pour the water into the bowl. Next, take the black pepper and sprinkle it into the bowl. And that'll be the germs. Next, take the soap, pour it into the bowl. Just a little bit more. And the soap is what will make the germs go away. See the soap on my finger? A little bit closer now. All right, bye-bye, germs. Wow, the germs don't like soap at all. Let's see that again. Wow, bye-bye, germs. So remember, wash your hands. Take care.